Imagine you have a lot of invoices to send to different clients. You have all your invoices in one file while your client emails are in another workbook. With multi-mail, this is solved in seconds. First, select your recipient list. Under Send mode, choose the new Multiple Documents option. Now, just select the folder with your invoices and the file containing the invoice data. Link the fields, invoice name, and the customer code. It's that simple. Now, define the email field. Need to keep your boss or assistant in the loop? Just add them as recipients for all outgoing emails. Customize your subject line and the body of the message using dynamic tags. This ensures every client gets a personalized touch. Check your settings, schedule a delay if needed, and hit send. Everything goes straight to Outlook. Check this out. Every invoice reached the right owner perfectly. Take a look at this email. It has every individual invoice attached for this specific customer. Try multi-mail at optipe.com.